Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the target Google Sheet and confirming you have editor rights, because only owners or editors can change link settings. Once done, click the blue Share button in the top right. In the dialog, choose Change to anyone with the link to avoid inviting users one by one. Make sure to pick the correct access level next. That determines whether people can view, comment, or edit. This first step unlocks public access and prepares the. Once you have the Share dialog open, click where it says Restricted and select anyone with the link. This allows public access without sign-in if needed. Next, change the role from viewer or commenter to editor so people can make changes. That's the core action. After selecting editor, copy the shareable link shown. You'll use this to distribute the sheet. Make sure to double-check that the link preview shows editor, otherwise people will be blocked from editing when they open the file. Finally, distribute the link to your audience through email, chat, or a web page and confirm recipients can open and edit. Monitor edits using version history so you can revert unwanted changes and add protected ranges for critical cells to prevent accidental damage. If users cannot edit, check for domain or organization restrictions in admin settings. Those block public editing even when the file is set to anyone with the link. If problems persist, temporarily make you the owner and retry the link settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.